So today we are going to do some gardening. Okay, so today we are going to do some gardening, and gardening is a very good habit. We need to grow more and more trees. We'll get fresh air. Yeah. So let's get started. Wait. I took some pictures of some the stuff we'll do. So you see that? This is coco pet, and this is compost, and this is red soil. So we need to mix these three, and we have to grow plants. Friends, I took coco pet, compost, and red soil. So we need to mix three. So let's mix them. Oh, so we all took some of the quantity. So let's mix it. Fine, I mix a lot, so let's keep our mixture in the pot. See, this is so cool and this is nice. I bought this in D-Mart. Okay, so let's do it. And you need to keep a hold out there. Yeah! I think this is okay for one. So now second one. This is yellow color, and you have to keep a hole for every one. I kept one hole. You can keep one or two. Yeah, I think this is enough. Yeah. This is enough. Now I'm going to keep plant. Now we have to keep this around. It should be in the middle. Friends, now I kept full in this. Now it's beautiful. So I repeat the process. Now let's keep this one. And I'll keep this, yeah, I'll just, now this is in center, so this is finished. Now this is so beautiful. Yeah, and thank you for my parents also. They both helped me behind the scenes a lot. So that's it for this video, friends. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till my next video. Wait a minute. Sorry, I said bye. I just want to show you the final look of my pots. Beautiful. Okay, I just want to show you the final look. Wait a minute, I will just show you now. This is my final look. See how beautiful those are. Okay, fine. If you like my video, give a big thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Now real bye. Okay, bye bye till my next video.